Welcome to Expert Talk, the segment where we bring in local professionals to offer their expert advice on relevant topics. I'm your host, Michelle Eubank, and joining us today is Jody Entrekin with Entrekin Insurance in Gulfport. Hey Jody, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for joining us again today. So we are no strangers to hurricanes here on the Gulf Coast. So what can our residents and our viewers do to make sure that they're prepared for coverage when it comes to hurricane season?
You know, it's a really great question. There's a lot of things that we could do as insureds and homeowners ourselves to make sure that we have, what we need during hurricane season. One of the most important things is we just have to remember, we have a homeowner's policy. It's one of the most expensive things that we're ever going to purchase. So we want to make sure that we have the proper coverage for that home. We want to look at and make sure that we have replacement costs on our policy and enough coverage. So as an example, let's just say we pick up your home, wherever it's located. Let's just say it's 3 miles north of the beach, and we pick it up and we move it down and we place it onto the beach, in Biloxi or Gulfport or Long Beach or wherever. What would be the value of that home then? It's going to increase because it's now beachfront property.
Right.
However, it's the same home. So you would build it the same way. The replacement cost is a replacement cost, not what the value or what you could sell the home for is. So let's make sure that you go ahead and you have the proper coverage for replacement costs. Secondly, let's clean up the yard. Let's mitigate the risk as much as possible so we have less flying debris, not just for our property, but for the innocent bystanders. We don't want anyone else to get hurt or damage any other one's property.
Awesome. Jody, thank you for being with us here in the studio today. You always have such wonderful advice. And thank you for tuning in to WXXV's Expert Talk.